Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you a Google extension called Google Drive and I'll show you how to use it. So do watch the video. Open the browser which you are using, go to extensions, open Chrome Web Store, here type Drive and press enter. So you can see here an option called Google Drive. This is an extension. Save to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Add extension. No, right side when you see that automatically gets added up. Now I've created a file list. So click here. Just click here and enter your email address details. You can see up it's automatically saved. Now open your email account. Go to Google Drive. Here you can find the file saved. So it gets automatically saved here. Go to Drive on this one. Now here it is. Google Drive. It's taking a bit of time. I think that is so. See, the file gets automatically saved to this one. Preview. You can see it's automatically saved. Thank you.